So I got this box last week, but at that point, I really wasn't feeling well, so I didn't do the unboxing. I can't even believe that I was able to hold off because I usually don't even care how bad I'm feeling. I go ahead and unbox, but it was something serious. So anyway, this is from Wanderluxe Bath Company. By the way, I'm feeling much better, which is why I'm doing it. I'm actually doing it from my office. That means I'm feeling super well. All right, so let's take a peek at what's inside the box. So first, I got a card, and it said thank you and happy new year, handmade, which I love because it's made with love. And then a thank you. All right, she sent various cards. So, oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. There's her website. It's embossed. Look at that. And some more information. So let's go ahead. This is the invoice, by the way. It doesn't have the pricing on there, so anyway. And look at the box cover. I guess it should be this way. All right, let's take a peek inside. What's this? Oh, bath dust. And this is a thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is Candisa. I don't know if that's a Q or an L to begin with, but it's a mystery scent. Pixie dust. Can't wait to try it. And then I'll be right back. I'm going to unpackage these things. All right, so the first item that I have is this Misfortune. Scented in rose hips and reishi. Thank you so much for putting this on on cardboard. I really do so many unboxings where people are not careful to at least put a piece of cardboard behind their product and it ends up being broken in transit. This really helps a lot to keep our products from being broken in transit. So I appreciate that. The next item was the reason I ordered. Look at this. She was having a bunch of stuff on sale because of the holiday being over, and I don't normally like food scented stuff in my tub, but who can resist this thing? It's even got cinnamon stick in it. It is so cute. This is the Fa La 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 Latte. Did I stutter? Fa La 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 Latte bath bomb. And look at the little cup it comes in. It's so freaking cute. I could not resist. I had to get this. And then lastly, I got this star just because it just looked interesting to me. This is Zenobia. And I just thought it was very pretty. And I'm interested to see what it does in the water because it has that bright red color on the inside. Now, I don't know if that's just bath melt. I'm thinking it is sitting on the top. I couldn't tell on the site. I thought it was part of the bath bomb, but I think now that I'm looking at it, it may actually, because you can see this right here where it's looks like it's poured over. It looks like it might be bath melt. So very pretty though. I cannot wait to use this one. And that's what I received. So I received Zenobia, I believe that's the way it's pronounced. I received Misfortune. This adorable Fa La 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 Latte. I really think it's so super cute. Oh my gosh. And then finally, she sent a thank you gift. And this is Candisa Pixie Dust. All right, guys, that's it for Wanderluxe Bath and Body. And there is where you can order it. Talk to you guys on the next one.